Okay, good evening. We're going to get started breaking a box of 2014 Rookies and Stars Hobby. 24 packs to a box, 8 cards to a pack. And these yield 4 hits, either jerseys or autos. And typically 2 serial numbered cards as well. Typically 99 or less. Alright, go ahead and get started with the first pack. We got Cyrus Canuta-Joy, rookie. Carlos Hyde, rookie. Brandon Coleman, rookie. And there is a 1-in-1 printing plate of Alfred Morris. Nice card there for the Redskins. Vincent Jackson of the Buccaneers. Wes Welker of the Broncos. E.J. Manuel, Alshon Jeffrey. Okay, second pack. Jarvis Landry, rookie. Isaiah Crowell, rookie. Derek Carr, rookie. Jeremy Maclin, longevity parallel. Michael Crabtree. Antonio Brown. Rob Gronkowski. Jamal Charles. Next pack. Bruce Ellington, rookie. Michael Sam, rookie. Lewis Nix, rookie. And we got a jersey autograph card of Dante Moncrief of the Colts. And that is serial numbered out of 99. Giovanni Bernard. Victor Cruz. Matt Schaub. Arian Foster. Next pack. Dante Moncrief, rookie. Devontae Adams, rookie. Chris Borland, rookie. A Richard Sherman Super Bowl insert. Trent Richardson, Keenan Allen, Jordan Cameron, and Peyton Manning. Next pack. Jeremy Hill, rookie. Jackson Jeffcoat, rookie. CJ Spiller, Crusade insert. Andy Dalton, longevity parallel. Rashad Jennings, Denarius Moore, Andre Johnson, and Chris Ivory. Next pack. Logan Thomas, rookie. Kelvin Benjamin, rookie. E.J. Manuel, Crusade insert. There's the longevity rookie of HaHa Clinton Dix, Julius Thomas, Robert Woods, Andy Dalton, and Jay Cutler. Next pack. Mike Davis, rookie. Marcus Roberson, rookie. Coney Ely, rookie. So Zach Martin, longevity parallel of Cowboys. Ryan Matthews, Ben Tate, Demarius Thomas, and Matthew Stafford. Next pack. Charles Sims, rookie. Brett Smith, rookie. Blake Bortles, rookie. There's a Brandon Cooks, rookie. Probably a variation. Le'Veon Bell, Darrelle Revis, Andrew Luck, and Doug Martin. Devontae Freeman, rookie. Darqueze Dennard, rookie. Got a Devontae Adams, rookie insert. Sammy Watkins, rookie insert. CJ Spiller, AJ Green, Brandon Marshall, and Sean Green. Next pack. Cody Latimer rookie, Sammy Watkins rookie, and a Charles Sims Crusade rookie, Johnny Manziel rookie, Darren McFadden, J.J. Watt, Eric Decker, and Ryan Tannehill. Okay, next pack. Jadeveon Clowney, rookie. Dre Archer, rookie. David Fales, rookie. And the next jersey is a Dante Moncrief jersey card. So that's 2 Moncrief hits. Calvin Johnson, Josh McCown, Greg Jennings, and Nick Foles. Next pack. Khalil Mack rookie, Jason Verrett rookie, Jason Morrow rookie, Drew Brees insert, Geno Smith, Hakeem Nicks, Phillip Rivers, and Josh Gordon. Next pack. Greg Robinson rookie, D Ford rookie, Connor Shaw rookie, there's a Johnny Manziel foil rookie, Henry Melton, Jake Locker, Ben Roethlisberger, and Tavon Austin. Marcus Smith rookie, Kyle Fuller rookie, Jerick McKinnon rookie. There's an Arian Foster, the Texans, serial numbered out of 49. Chad Henne, Joe Flacco, Brian Hartline, and Alex Smith. Got about, looks like 10 packs to go here. Taj Boyd rookie, Scott Crichton rookie, Mike Evans rookie, Greg Robinson rookie insert, Adrian Peterson, Golden Tate, Jeremy Maclin, Tony Romo. Allen Robinson, rookie, Aaron Donald rookie, James Wilder rookie, Logan Thomas rookie, Jimmy Graham, Steven Jackson, Eddie Lacy, Pierre Garçon. Down to 8 packs to go in the break. Brandon Cooks rookie, Austin Seferian Jenkins rookie, No Sean Moreno insert, Ryan Shazier rookie insert, Kendall Wright, Percy Harvin, Zach Stacy, Andre Ellington. Dion Buchanan rookie, Cyril Richardson rookie, Calvin Pryor rookie, Cordell Patterson insert, Cam Newton, Cordell Patterson, Alfred Morris, Eli Manning. Ed Reynolds rookie, Anthony Thomas rookie, Trent Richardson insert, Luke Kuechly insert, Steve Smith, No Sean Moreno, Dwayne Bowe, and D'Angelo Williams. Looks like 5 packs to go. Still Couple hits, I believe. Kyle Van Noy, rookie. Jimmy Garoppolo, rookie. Jake Matthews, rookie. There's a, ooh, that's a nice one. That's a Sammy Watkins slideshow autograph, and that is numbered out of 100. Aaron Rodgers, LaShawn McCoy, Des Bryant, Ace Sanders. Alright, down to 4 packs. Odell Beckham, rookie. Marion Grice, rookie. Carlos Hyde, rookie insert. Russell Okung insert. Tom Brady. Carson Palmer. Luke Kuechly. Matt Ryan. 3 packs to go. Jared Abbrederis, Haha Clinton-Dix, rookies. Logan Thomas, rookie insert. Noshawn Moreno insert. Marshawn Lynch, Russell Wilson, Sam Bradford, Mark Ingram. And the last 2 packs of the break. Bishop Sankey, rookie. Andre Williams, rookie. Kadeem Carey, rookie. There is an Andre Williams jersey card of the Giants. Alden Smith, Frank Gore, Colin Kaepernick, and Richard Sherman. And the last pack of the break. Kevin Reese, rookie. Taylor Lewin, rookie. Shaq Evans, rookie. D'Angelo Williams, longevity. Robert Griffin, Marco Murray, Justin Blackman, and Dennis Pitta. All right, let me recap the hits again. Andre Williams jersey. Sammy Watkins slideshow autograph. Arian Foster out of serial numbered out of 49. Dante Moncrief jersey. Dante Moncrief jersey autographed out of 99. And a printing plate 101 and Alfred Morris of the Redskins. All right, thank you everyone for participating, and we will get these shipped out here in the next day or two. Thanks again.